Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 30 minutes mission to Alto. Alright, here is the box itself. Now this is basically the new line of mecha made originally by Bandai, and it's basically the original line with promotion of customizability and some options. So that's the way to put it. And I guess 30 minutes missions. I've been seeing like videos of people actually trying to build these kits within the Alto specifically within 30 minutes, and quite frankly, I find that a little bit. I mean, it is what it is. Like it's trying to give people a challenge to try whether they can build this kit in 30 minutes. But I find this a little bit how do I say bit bit dumb, really. I don't know. But if you guys want me to try to build this in 30 minutes, then let me know. I mean, I'll be fine to do that if you guys want to see me do that. And yes, I did not just get the white version, as you see here. I also got some option sets, the armor and the weapons, and not just the Alto itself, but I also got the other colors as well, blue and yellow. So, but specifically in this video, we'll do the white one, and I'm not gonna do separate unboxings for the yellow and blue because, well, they're exactly the same kit, just a color swap. So it's gonna unboxing. So yes, well, from what I understand, this mecha was designed by Kantaki Erikawa, which he did design some Gundam robots in the universe so far. I mean, I think I remember he designed the Exia, he designed some of the robots, the Greys and the Flowers in Umbrella Orphans. He designed a few others, and yeah, he designed a few robots, not just Age as well. Yeah, in fact, Age. Some of the Age designs. In fact, these mecha really look a lot like, okay, take the technology to Leo, design of like a Shiden and a Genoese from Age. No, Shiden from a Genoese from Age. So they look very similar in current design. So we all know why this design is very familiar, because it is designed by a Gundam mecha designer. So yeah, that's my unboxing. So yeah, the box is pretty thin for what it is. I mean, there's only 3 runners plus the polycasted manual. So it's an unboxing. On the side here, basically you have the information you want to go there, and assembly, which basically the parts are organized in order rather than being all over the kit. There is now like it is each row and columns like its own part. Like, for example, the top of the head, the middle one is the body, then the one is the arms, the legs. It's like it goes in order. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, basically it's a simple kit. They say you don't need glue, just nippers, and that's all you need really. But whatever. I mean, yeah. So yep, and then basically they tell you how much stuff like the action you can do with this kit. Basically, it's saying that, well, he has a very big ab crunch plus some kind of special joint in the hips where these legs can swing forward, so you can get more range of it, which I find kind of interesting. And then you get some weapons. The only weapons you can get in this kit it's like a gun and like a knuckle duster, a handle for like a sword. Yeah, and you come with like somewhat like a mobile worker in here, but you can either plug in the butt, or if you can take that part and use it as a head. So it's really up to you how you want to make these kits turn out, really. So which is the whole point of the series, is to promote customizations. So yeah, yep, that's pretty much the other stuff you have here. Doesn't mention the price. It's 1200 yen. Okay, I was gonna do the unboxing. I was gonna open it live. For the weapons and the option armor, I will not do an unboxing of those either, because quite frankly I don't know, but I will do the review of the Alto plus its weapons, like its optional equipment, as a whole video, and not only just its white. I'm doing all yellow and blue into one video. So we'll see how it goes. I'll do it tomorrow, and I will get you guys back if I can get the review out of the way. Alright, what's in the box? First, start with the A runner, which is you got the marking stickers, which is, yeah, I mean, if it's different grunt, if you want to grunt, mostly you probably need some markings. So that's cool. So, and A plate, you only want one runner, which is pretty much yeah, it didn't mention about that's the head, that's the body, somewhat, yeah, that's the arms. The arms are here. That's the waist. That's coming out. Yeah, okay, so, basically you have the legs and then, yeah, the legs, and that's about it, really. You got the C plate, which is the weapons and the backpack, and the B plate, which is basically the joints, not only used for the Alto, but also for the Porta Nova, which comes out later on. And you get the polycaps, which is, you know, the usual ball joints. Okay, that's neat. And the simple instructions if you're new to plastic models. In the manual. Yep. So basically to tell you like how it's basically and for I believe the very first time in so far as of like, I mean, not in terms of like a like a normal gun duplicate like I've seen so far. This is probably the first time I'm seeing a manual in full color. That is really cool. I really like it. I really wish they do it in the Gunpla models, but I think the reason why they did it in black and white is like to keep up with the tradition, I guess. So it's pretty cool to see actually this manual in full color. So yeah, the assembly is pretty simple. So let's see how it goes. So yeah, that's an unboxing of the 30 minutes missions Alto. I will get that doing soon, probably tomorrow. In fact, if you guys want me to do the 30 minutes mission challenge, do let me know. I will see how it goes, and yeah, let's see. I'll see if you guys will do that. And yeah, I might do a live stream. I don't know. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.